They got some new merchandise here at Frontier City. They actually have Park Pacific with so Six Flags Frontier City, and it has the skyline in it, really nicely done. My problem is it's just the kid sizes right now, so hopefully they get the adult sizes in these shirts. They look like they're gonna run kind of small on there. They look like they're just kid shirts because the mediums are right here. They got large and extra large. So they're kind of small, so I think these are just like the kids shirts. They don't have any adult ones yet, but they're nice little shirts. Also too, they also have over here they had Diamondback merchandise. Besides the shirts that we've seen in an earlier vlog, they actually added some more merchandise for like the Diamondback. They have a cup, a magnet, and a keychain. So we're starting to get like Park Pacific merchandise here at Frontier City. Just here doing a weekday visit here at Frontier City. Haven't done a weekday visit during the summer yet. It's very hot here. Shay doesn't like it. I made her come. She's like, it's too hot. So we're just doing a quick one. The park closes here in about an hour, so it's not be about an hour before this park closes. So we're just gonna grab something to eat. Look and see what kind of updates they are. They teased online one day something over there by the Nightmare that I kind of have suspicion might be a bar. So I'm just going to check on that construction, see what it looks like. It's been a little while since I've been here, but here just for a quick little vlog of the park, see what's going on during the weekday here. Oh, just hi Dylan. Michelle and I, we sat down, we're eating our pizza. Let's see. Just gotta get some pizza and then realize the Two John Saloon show is going on, so we're gonna check that out, watch a little bit of that show while we're eating our pizza. So we'll get back with you. You've come here on a lucky day, we plan to show it for you. So sit right back and please enjoy 3, 2, 1, 3. Walking on down, they still have the advertisement for the Western Wonders. New tickets, they're gonna have like next weekend. And it's after an hour event. Right after the park closes. We'll have a magic show, a longer magic show with a dinner. It's a dinner show. They'll have that next, I think it's like the 16th, next Saturday. Or next Friday. I think it's Friday night. June 21st. I have to look at my calendar. I think June 21st is next Friday. Today's yeah, I think it's next Friday. So yeah, my wife and I, we've got our tickets for that show, so we're actually gonna come and see that. Fun right here, the little hillbilly showers to cool off. They have one here in the park as you're walking down towards inside the park. Down there and helps cool you off. It actually works. You wet your head down, you feel the cool breeze hitting your head. We're going down into the park some more. Over here in Wildcats Splash Zone, they actually painted the deck. Matches the bottom part of the Best of the West, this red color, stained and painted it. Looks really nice. Says y'all will get wet. You definitely get wet in this section. Got the dye in the water. Sprinkler looks really nice. Did a good job fixing this up and getting the splash part the splashdown fixed on Wildcat. But you see the deck gets pretty wet. The coach is actually on the track. They ran the corner, quite going this hill over here, it looks like. It's actually climbing the hill right now. There it goes. There's Wildcat. Should I sit here and let you see me get wet? Why don't I stand here? Let you guys see me get wet. Here he comes. You got some there, Dylan?
Yeah, that's all good.
Little splash. Oh, looks like the train's back on the track. They got the cars back in there. Train's kind of up on his. Guess we're gonna get back on the track. Just sitting over here now with the barricade. They've been working on it. Actually, this was back in the amphitheater. I saw it back there riding Diamondback a couple weeks ago. It was sitting back there. It's been closed for 2 weeks, so they must have been doing some extensive maintenance on the train. So this should be reopened up pretty soon. The Old 89er Express. Hopefully it'll be opened up this weekend, maybe next week. Hopefully soon. Oh, I'm going right over the back of the train. I came over here to log ride to see what the construction they posted about on the Facebook page. Looks like it's going to be a bar. Looking at it, it looks like it might extend out because they cut away some of the wood there. Like they might have like a walkway pathway or something going to this little thing, and this might be like the bar, actual bar, and the tables and chairs might be out in this area right here. My suspicion it might look like it's going to be like a beer garden type bar, which would be nice along the log ride right here. Watch people get splashed when they come down, hang out over here, get a nice breeze because it's out here in this open part of the park. Really nice. Looks like a log's about ready to come down the log ride right there. You can hear it going climbing the lift hill. But that's no new attraction, but it is going to have a nice little addition to this waterfront area, which is really going to be nice. Here comes that log. Some next splash, people getting splashed. Well, that's a wrap on our visit here. Happy trails. Now we're gonna head on out of the park. It's a short visit, just a short vlog, just seeing how the weekday, how busy it is on the weekday. It's pretty busy on the weekdays. I was just surprised how busy it was on a 95-degree day in June and high humidity. The park was pretty busy. I like seeing it. This pretty busy, but it's still, I mean, it's still slow, but it had a little bit of traffic, which was really nice. It was hot. I saw a few. You've seen some of the few updates that I did see here. So it was a short visit. You're hot. You sat in Ford Frontier because it's too hot for you.
You ride any rides?
I actually rode some.
What?
I rode Steel Lasso and Wildcat. Because Dylan said, "You want to ride these?" I didn't ride Silver Bullet. I didn't get on that one, but I got on Steel Lasso and Wildcat. Now I'm getting the dirty looks. Well, you didn't want to walk down there anyway because of how hot it was.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, we're gonna head on out. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and and watch more of our videos. We liked it. We appreciate you. Thank you, and have a good day.